I want to talk to you about some big changes that are happening in my life and how they're going to affect my content on this channel. As some of you may know, I have recently just had a baby named Jackson, and to say the least, he has completely changed my life. It's been an incredible experience so far, but as you can imagine, it's also brought a lot of challenges. You all know the problems with kids, right? Lack of sleep and all that jazz. Somehow, I'm still managing to smash out YouTube content, stream up products, and do at least a 2-hour Twitch stream every day. Twitch.tv/Andy Lippy, by the way. But one of the biggest challenges is financial. And no, I'm not looking for you all to get tiny violins out. I'm just wanting to keep you informed of the actions I'm going to take to keep this channel and its content flowing, so you can all keep making the best possible streams, right? In the coming months, a lot will be changing. For instance, I'll need to pay for a day or two of Nursery for Jax so that I can keep making regular content. It's going to be a big expense, and I'm gonna do everything I can to prepare for it. On top of that, as you know, I recently quit my job.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
If you want to find out more, I'll leave the announcement video in the links below. It wasn't an easy decision, and I knew the risks I was about to undertake, especially with the current economic climate. And, of course, baby Jax. With leaving my full-time job, I no longer have a pension or perks to support myself or my family, like dental coverage, for instance. It's a scary situation to be in, but I'm determined to make the best of it. In the past year, my channel has had 46% of its views from external sources, which is pretty wild. I think it means I'm doing SEO properly. I'd actually love to know your thoughts in the comments on this. But YouTube doesn't really like recommending my content. And no, this isn't me complaining about the algorithm, yada 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 yada. It's me recognizing a problem and adapting to solve the issue. So, the first step to change my content, I will be improving the production quality even more than I already have.
Hell, it's about time.
You guys who have been around for the 3 years I've been doing this will know how far my production skills have already come. It's such a shame that a lot of my videos haven't been discovered yet by a lot of people, as there is some absolutely imperative information in them. This is why some of the most important information I'm going to recycle, so you don't miss out on these old videos from me being a bad YouTuber. I would really appreciate your support and feedback with these changes so I can keep improving and giving you a much more pleasant experience. Another factor in where and why I'm changing my content is because of the success StreamUP has had so far in terms of product downloads. It means I have had a lot of you looking for support, and to be honest, it has been completely overwhelming, especially as like 95% of the downloads didn't leave a tip. It meant I had to give so much free support for products that I already put blood, sweat, and tears into. Not to mention the amount of time to write in detailed instructions and do video tutorials on how to use them. With this in mind and feedback from my Twitch community, all of my products that I have made so far for StreamUP will become chargeable. They will range in price, and they still have to be determined. This will include any new products going forward. Oh, and trust me, there are some bangers coming very soon. Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out a little bit more. Charging for my products helps reduce the amount of support traffic, so I can spend more time actually making content and tools that will help more content creators. Also, it will make the products feel more premium. I think that's the least they deserve for the amount of time and effort I put into each product. Now you're thinking,
Boo, Andy.
You're a sellout,
that's not cool.
and you probably won't even get any sales.
You can't live off that, lad. Lol, noob. I completely agree. This is why I have ulterior motives for the whole content change. This is where you come in. You can support my content through Patreon and Ko-fi from as little as £3 a month. Let's face it, you won't miss £3. You spend more than that on coffee a day, don't you? Yeah, I'm looking at you, Daniel. Joining will unlock some out of this world perks that will help you make the best content possible. £3 a month will give you access to a private Discord server where you can have a good chinwag with me and like-minded creative individuals. You also get early access to all my YouTube videos to stay ahead of the streaming game, as well as a cheeky sneak peek at what products or content I am working on behind the scenes. You'll also be able to stick your oar in for a feature, product, or content requests. Yeah. £5 a month will give you everything I just mentioned, but you'll also unlock a private Discord channel to get support from me as soon as possible on all of my products. I bring you back to Baby Jax. Please bear that in mind too. I'm only human. I'm not a 24/7 call center. But what would product support be worth without products? Well, I'm actually allowing anyone supporting at this tier unlimited free access to all of my downloads and products. This means any of the old ones and any of the new ones, you can bypass the StreamUP website and just download them straight from my private Discord server. A small price to pay for a streamer's Swiss Army knife of advanced tools, right? How could it get any better than that? Well, it can. For £10 a month, again, not a break in the bank amount. That's like 2 large Starbucks. Oh, inflation. I am offering all of the previous perks, but also giving a cheeky thank you in my YouTube videos. You will also get the cream of the crop. Early access and beta test all of my latest creations. Right now, as of filming, I have 5 brand new unique products that are out of this world in early access. Stay tuned as I will be showcasing them very soon later in this video. The last tier is for people who want to go above and beyond to support me and my family. I want to still make my content and products as accessible as possible, so this tier is for those people who just want the status symbol of being my #1 supporters. For £25 a month, you will get your name in the credits of the new products I make to highlight just how special you are to me and the community as a whole. Oh, and obviously you get all the previous perks too. I actually don't think I have anything else left to give.
I've got nothing left. I've got nothing left.
I'm also aiming to create at least 1 new product every month, and I'll be making sure they're all high quality and worth your support. So if this is something up your street, the Patreon and Ko-fi links will be down below. Get joined and come and say hi to me in the Discord. Feel free to tag me when you write your welcome message too. I know this is a big change and it's not something I take lightly, so I hope you're as excited about all of this as I am. But I am confident that it is the right move for me and my family, and I hope you'll continue to support me on this journey. I hope to see you in the Discord. Now, these products I was talking about, I've put more blood, sweat, and tears into these, and I'm really proud of how they've turned out. I'd say they're my best products yet. Check them out in this video right here. Put your rocket for the stone.